Hi guys, today I'm working on this ideal logic. It's got an intermittent fault on it. The heating's working fine, but the hot water isn't. Now the first thing we're going to do is do the diagnosis on it, see what's going on, why isn't the hot water coming through, and what part needs looking at. I tried to move the flow switch around, but it still didn't do the job. We're still getting intermittent hot water. So I'm going to change the domestic hot water flow turbine. Here, there's an intermittent fault, and sometimes the hot water is working, sometimes it wasn't. Right, this one in it, always remember you on the slip, make open linear. Press that down. Yeah. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take the condenser out. Let me just zoom this maybe in. You can hold it. It's too taken out. Oh, you can hold it. So what we're going to do is take this condenser out. And that's it. We'll rest that up. So what we're doing is changing this baby here. That to the side. Right, it's good to have a one of those round spans. Let me just use a pliers. I don't think I should have the jacket on today, no. What? It's quite good. Yeah. The rain. There you go. Use that. Just hard work, right? I don't use this much hard work. Oh, it's because you don't want that. And here's the pot gun? Yeah, there you go. So we're changing it to this one here. Let that drain out the water and then get some air in. There's no bloody filter in it. Let's put it in. And mix it. Here you go. There. And we'll test it out now.
Here, put this.
Here, put this on. In here. Oh. So you're gonna turn this one. What did I do for it? Now let's put the condenser in. Let's wash it. This will be rust.
hold in with the pad. It's potty.
Hmm?
You can see better as well.
Now this is the hard part. There you go. Good. There you go. Right. Want to go home. I won't come on anyway, because the switch is on. Right. So what we're going to do is now, the switch on, shut down that before, put the condenser in. Oh, yeah. Shut it down before I put the condenser in. Inshallah. Can Jengi do it without you? Do you want to take the condenser out? No. Yeah, can't do it. Right, then this one. This one. That's working well. Well, switch the light off, I'll show you now. Now if you see, when I open the tap, it's constantly on. You see the light on it? That's constantly on, yeah? Open it up. Right. Yesterday was going like this. Yeah. So let's put the condenser and get out of here. मैं अलग करता हूँ समय से ध्यान के जरूरी ठीक है signature. And that's it. Huh? Oh. Is it? Come on. Oh yeah. I'm just thinking about something. Sorry, I was going to cook lamb. Now let's make some chicks. That's lamb on there, yeah. There. Off. And there you go, even though the flow is low, right? Looking fine there, yeah. Right. Oh, you want to come in the film?
No. I'm the cameraman.
No.
Cameraman always keeps
No profile.
his face
No profile.
discreet.
That's it. Let's get out.
So, that's all.
Now on this job, right, we got a Vaillant Ecotech. It's leaking. Now I've checked it out and the leak is coming from the diverter valve. So I've checked it out, the diverter valve is leaking, and in my next video I'll be showing you how I'm going to fit this diverter valve in. So join me next time and I'll show you how I fit this diverter valve in.
You can't go into the home, it's an inheritance.
And this one is a short diagnosis on this Biasi. Now if your hot water is working fine but our central heating isn't, on your display board, if the central heating isn't flashing and you got your room start looped, then you need to change the display board. Now the homeowner's an electrician and he said he's going to change himself, so I've only done the diagnosis for him. So we got no heating on this. Hot water is working fine but the heating isn't. And finally, this is a commercial job. It's on a nursery in Birmingham. They've asked me to sort out the hot water, domestic hot water. The heating is working fine, but the hot water isn't. So this boiler is providing for here central heating up the property. These two boilers, water heaters, are for domestic hot water. Now the first thing I'm going to do is a visual inspection on them. Then I'm going to try and light them up. Guys, if your boiler is broken down in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, combi system or a tank system, even water heaters like Glade Hill, Pulsar Coil, give us a call. We repair them, service them. We also do landlord gas certificates. Right, we're going to light these water heaters up now and see if they're working properly or is there any issues on them. Right, at the moment the water is cold, so we're going to give it 10 minutes, and then if the temperature goes up, that's great. We'll do all our checks and job done. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive, and hopefully that'll keep you happy. Thank you. If you liked the video, please subscribe and don't forget to share this video. Thank you.